Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, where you watch and learn. I'm your tutor, Alex Musawa, and I'll be taking you through Chemistry Form 3, Lesson 35. Our topic is Chlorine and its compounds, preparation of chlorine. The objectives: to determine how chlorine gas is prepared in a laboratory. First, what is chlorine? Chlorine is a nonmetallic element. It is a molecular substance made up of diatomic molecules. Chlorine has an electron arrangement of 287. It belongs to a chemical family known as halogens. How is chlorine prepared in a laboratory? We prepare chlorine in a fume chamber. It is prepared by reaction between manganese for oxide and hot concentrated hydrochloric acid, or we can also use sulfuric acid. As you can see from the diagram, we're going to react sulfuric acid with sodium chloride, or we can react hydrochloric acid with manganese for oxide. And what we are going to get is chlorine gas. We pass the gas through concentrated sulfuric acid so as to dry it. Chlorine gas is green in color. As you can see, chlorine is green in color. Next. The equations: manganese for oxide plus hydrochloric acid, we get manganese chloride plus water and chlorine gas. We can also use an oxidizing agent. Chlorine may also be prepared by dropping cold concentrated hydrochloric acid on crystals of potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate plus hydrochloric acid, we get chlorine plus magnesium chloride and potassium chloride and water. The gas is also bubbled through water to remove any traces of hydrochloric gas. From the diagram, you saw that we bubble the gas through water to remove traces of hydrochloric gas that may be present when it is dried, and it is dried by bubbling it through concentrated sulfuric acid, since sulfuric acid absorbs the water in the gas. Chlorine gas is collected by downward delivery because the gas is denser than air. Chlorine gas is collected by downward delivery because the gas is denser than air. Chlorine is not collected over water because it is soluble in water. It is not collected over water because it is soluble in water. And that is the end of our lesson. Activity: describe an experiment on how you will prepare chlorine gas in a laboratory. Describe an experiment on how you prepare chlorine gas in a laboratory. Number 2. What are other methods of preparing chlorine gas? What are other methods of preparing chlorine gas? Our reference: KLB Book 3, 5th edition, 2019. Our reference: KLB Book 3, 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on our phone number +254 723 144259. YouTube Elimu TV, Facebook Elimu TV, and on Twitter @ElimuTV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.